Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a new product that I have available. If you are a creator, meaning that you create and sell templates, which is primarily what I do. So templates like Canva, PowerPoint, Spreadsheet, Google Docs, PDF printables, things like that. This is a digital product membership vault. So if you are a creator, stick around so I can, tell you more about this product and see if it's something that might work for you. Let's dive right in. Starting right here, we have workbooks and text guides. So this would be different types of ebooks, different types of manual binders that people actually purchase on Etsy. And then jumping right here, we have presentations and printables. So Google Slides, PowerPoint, and Canva, of course. You can do hyperlink planners. You can create all sorts of PDF printers. So right here, we have trackers and spreadsheets. So this will be Google Sheets, of course, and Excel. I will have more templates that are Google Sheets, but over time, I will convert some of these Google Sheets to Excel so that you can offer both of them to your customers. And then jumping right here, I have some visual assets, PNG files that you can sell as is, or that you can use to create a printable that would fall into this category. And then last but not least, number 5, these are HTML browser web apps. I have created a whole collection of web apps. Some of them are web apps that will help you in the creative process. So things like changing PNGs to PDFs, packaging some of your templates, getting them ready for sale. And some of them would actually be used to create some of these products right here. So I do have some HTML web apps that will create workbooks for you, Google Slides, PowerPoint slides, etc. So these are the products in the vault. The frequency of updates would be weekly. At least. So at least once a week, I will post a new product. And there is the likelihood that I will be posting more than once a week. So I may have a week where I post 2 or 3 new products, depending on what comes up and what new ideas that I have. Or if I find something that's trending, I will create that product and place it in the vault. All right. So just moving over to this section, it tells you exactly how it works. You start with a raw template, customize it to fit your business, and you can sell the finished products. All right, so this gives you more information. And of course, I'll leave the link for the sales page so you can go ahead and check it out. So let's talk about pricing. The first option is for free template. I will update this weekly with free template. You can use this however way you want. If you want to sell them or use them for personal use, you can actually do that. It doesn't say commercial use here, but it will have that in the actual description of the products when I post them. And then we have the commercial use templates. And the reason why this is specifically saying commercial use is because a lot of these templates here will be editable. So you get the PDF as well as the source material that could be in Canva or PowerPoint or any of the other options that I described earlier. Okay, so that's it with the sales page. We're going to dive into the vault to see what that looks like. All right, so here is the membership vault. If you are signed on to the membership, this is what it would look like. I have a welcome post here, so you can check it out, and it just gives you a little bit of information that I already covered from the sales page. And then down here is where the actual templates that are available begin. It will be organized chronologically, meaning that the most recent would be towards the top. Here's an example of what a freebie looks like versus a paid option. This is the same template. This is a summer 2026 calendar poster. So this is something that if you have access to this, it's something you want to list now because people are purchasing this item to prepare for the summer break for their kids. For the freebie version, you will have access to the PDF, and I'll open it up so you can see what that looks like. Here's the PDF file. This is a large poster, it's 26 by 36. So you'll get this and you can sell this as a PDF file. There are 2 versions. There's the colored version and the next page is the black and white. This is available for you with a free membership to use however way you want. If you want to use it for your personal use or if you want to list it in your digital shop, go ahead and do so. If you have the paid membership, you will have the PDF file. Of course, if you want to just jump right in and list that in your shop. But if you want to make changes, which would make sense, right? You want to make it your own, use your own branding, add your own flair to it, maybe edit some of the items here to offer different types of products. Here is the source material. So this is the Canva template. It has both pages here. It's the exact same thing in the PDF, but here you can make any changes you want, change the colors, change the content, make whatever changes you want and sell it in your digital shop. All right, so that's how the membership works. The last thing I want to show you is my product research tool. This is something I created using Claude. And what Claude does for me every day, it goes through Etsy, it searches through the items, it looks for best sellers, it gives me product recommendations, it tells me the format, so things like PDF, Canva, Google Sheets, and it gives me a little bit more information. So why this is a good product to add to your digital shop. Over here, we have direct links, and these links lead to the bestseller, so you can see other items that are selling in this product type. So it's something that you might find useful. The link to this spreadsheet will be available to free and paid members, so you can check it out every day to get inspiration on new products that you can add to your digital shop. And then what I'll personally do is use some of this information as inspiration to create new products that will be added to the Vault weekly. All right, so before I wrap things up, I want to talk about a special promotion that I am offering, as this is a new product. For the first 25 new members that sign up for the paid version, for the first month, it will cost you only $1. So let me show you how to apply the coupon. Click on sign me up. Here is where you put your payment information and start your subscription. By the way, I did not mention this earlier. If this is not working for you, you can cancel your subscription anytime. All right, so here is where you would apply the coupon for this special offer. It's only available for the first 25 members. So click here that says have a coupon, and then you're going to type in this coupon. It says first 25 subs apply. So for the first month, you only pay $1 to access this membership vault. Hopefully some of you will find this helpful. Check it out, see if it works for you. My goal is to save you time and effort so that you can quickly get new products into your shop, test it out, see if it works. And if this is not helping you achieve that goal, go ahead and cancel your membership. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the description box below. All the links that I mentioned will be available in the description box or in the pinned comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.